For our last section of the semester, we are going to look at measures of dispersion, that is, how data varies. And to understand this, we'll start with an example where we have two brands of cell phone battery tested in 6 trials with the results given in the table, where we want to determine which is more reliable. Now, starting with this, we can consider the mean values. Well, for our first one, look at the mean of battery 1. We would take the sum of all of those battery lives, 4, 24, 20, 12, 16, and 8. Divide that by 6, and you get a mean of 14. On the other hand, if we looked at the mean for battery 2, we would do the same sort of thing, 14 plus 18 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 10, divide by 6, and we get 14 again, which kind of tells us that these are equally good. But looking at those numbers, they don't look equally good. You can see that they have the same average, but the first one appears to have a pretty wide spread for where its values come from. You might take that one and say, well, hey, it's worth a shot to maybe get a 20-hour battery life if it means sometimes I only get 4 hours. Or you might look at that and say, well, I don't want to gamble on that. I might really need my phone at some point, and I'd rather be sure I'm getting around 10 than take a gamble. So, you'd want to find more. In this case, the mean's not enough. And that's what we're looking at in this section. That's what we're trying to determine here more concretely about which would be more reliable by looking at how spread out the values you get from each trial are.